here's the item I'm going to demo right now. This is our engineering sample of the DisplayPort to HDMI adapter. TNT part number is R06-CVT-HD-B. For this unit, since this is DisplayPort to HDMI, I will be using two devices. First is the Dell laptop, which has DisplayPort out, and a TV that has HDMI in, using a 6-foot HDMI cable. Now, so first thing I will do is connect the unit to the PC or the laptop, and then connect the HDMI. Now when you do that, you'll see the screen flicker or flash. That's normal. That means it's being detected. Now here you go. Now, if you notice, the two screens are the same because they're on clone mode. When you first plug it in, it could be clone mode, it could be extended mode. It depends on or it can also be only one display. It depends on what the setting is previously, or how your operating system defines itself. Now, but the first thing to test is, let me just go for that first. You open the software drivers for the video card. In this case, it's Intel, so I hit Intel graphic properties. The first thing to check is if the display is getting detected and if it's basically the EID of it. So here you can see it detects over here on the Intel one, graphics thing, display. You see a digital television, SC39UY, whatever. That's the model of this monitor. And if you open it, there's also a built-in. The built-in is the laptop. So, but here we see it detects this monitor. So it's good. Now, resolution-wise, it depends on how your video card performs graphics, your video card specifications. Now, here you see it only goes to 1440 by 900. This is because I'm currently in clone mode, like I said, and what it does is basically it gets the average of what these two can support and displays only that. But since I want 1080p, I'll change this to a single display, and I'll show you what I do right now. So under here, I just go multiple displays, and instead of clone, I just select single display. I hit apply, and I have that, and then I basically select it so only one display comes on. It only detects the EDI in one display. Hit OK, and here you go. You see the laptop goes off, and it's all the primary display is this one and only this one. So here I start playing with this other stuff with the resolution. So I hit, and you notice I can select 1080p. Hit apply, refresh rate, 5960, same thing, but I choose 60. Apply. Hit OK. Now here you see TV. I have it set at 1080p, 1920 by 1080p, and TV itself. You get the info correctly. Info 1080p, 60 Hz. Now, with this done, let me actually show you. I play like a video file to make sure it actually has the audio and video going through. Now, on my previous test for audio, it does go through, but I changed the settings, so I can show you how to do the settings right here. So, running with Windows 7, sometimes you might want to check your audio settings. So I hit at the speaker, the taskbar here, there's a little speaker thing. I right click and hit playback devices. Here you will see the devices that is allowed. Right now it's set as the laptop speakers coming out, but you also see down here, you will see like your monitor. If your TV does support audio, it'll come down here, and you'll see it showing audio, like the model of your speaker or your TV or display, whatever. I just hit set as default device, and now I hit test. You'll hear audio coming from the actual TV. So now we have the audio set up. Last thing is play a file. So you just open a sample video file. And here Here you see it is coming from the TV. The video is fine. To prove it, I will actually mute it so you can know for sure it's on the TV. I mute it, sound goes off, so it actually is coming from the TV, not from the laptop. Mute it again. So let me play a few things out. Now I'm just going. Previously I did the 1080p. Now I'm going to show you that our product actually also do 4K. Now, first things before you do this, make sure your video card can support 4K resolution. That's the main important thing. The DisplayPort output on this video card that I have right now is able to do it, and I tested it. So, and the modern TV is also able to do it. So they're both compatible with 4K, and that's why I will actually show you right now with this laptop. So same thing as previously. Plug everything in. Like so. Wait for everything to come back up. Now here you go. Like I said previously, I had it set out to single video mode only. So this is not going, only one desktop. And you can tell by looking at it, if I use the Windows native resolution screen, I go here, you see show only desktop 2, which is this monitor I identified, is this one. So only 2. So I'm showing only 2. That way I can get the full EDID to the computer and show you what resolution I want. That could be supported by the TV itself. Now, here, let me just, but before that, I need to go back to this graphics property issue section. Now, back to here, I want to do 4K. So, I know my computer can support it. I know my monitor can support it. So, I can actually select it. So, I go to Display Settings, Resolution, and choose, you see, scroll down, you'll see the 3840 by 2160. Hit Apply, select that, and then here's where you get a little tricky. Now, for 4K, 2K, currently we only use the market or the specifications for HDMI itself only support up to 30 Hz for refresh rate. So I would choose 30 Hz. 29, 30 Hz, same thing, but I'll choose 30 Hz. Now, for a TV, it might be mentioned differently. It might be 4K, 2K, 24p, but they're the same. In PC terms, it's at 30 Hz. Hit Apply. Hit Yes. And here you go. Video's up. As you can see, if I hit the info, 3840 by 2160, 30 Hz. Basically 4K, 2K. I didn't do it previously, but here, let me show you a test pattern. So you see a test pattern, which is fine. This is a quick thing. But the main thing is, bring up a video to actually play too. And before playing a video, I'll do the same thing again. Make sure the audio is supported by looking at my devices. And I see here it is still selected, so audio is still being played through a TV, directed to the output for TV. And then I hit the video again. You can see here, video does play. Sound, mute, so it is coming from the TV. So is that. Again, so there you go. You saw video, audio coming from the TV, and again, lastly, we're doing 4K, 2K, 30 Hz.